Hey y'all, it's Kiss. Welcome back. Today I wanted to keep y'all with me as I clean and organize these shelves right here. So I've gotten comments that people like my filming area, and I appreciate the kind words. It is fun and cheerful. That's what I intend for it to be, but at the same time, there's too much here for me. It's starting to feel cluttered. Like, for instance, I have my skincare over there, so I have to reach over behind things. Have my journaling stuff there. I have to reach over behind things and move things. My body mist are in these two clear bins right here, so I have to move things when I want to pull that out and get to another one. Anyway, this was intended to be one of my happy areas, that I just enjoy being here, doing my thing. So I want to make it easier to use, and then I think I'll be more content. That looks a little cluttered right there too. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take you along as I do this. And I'll probably just take one cube at a time. I want to rearrange my purses a little bit too, the ones that I have up there. So anyway, I guess I'll start at the top and work my way down. So I think I want to rearrange this a little bit. I do enjoy having the bright pink in the front, but then I enjoy seeing my Louis too. Now I'm going to leave that right there. The reason I have those in that area is because I don't want any of them getting smashed, and so I just keep all that together. So I'm going to rearrange these a little bit and just have that looking a little more pleasing. And then I'm going to figure out what to do with this too, because I like having that out there, but it's going to be a while before I use it because it's still hot, and that's a fuzzy purse, and I don't feel like using it anytime soon. I don't know why I didn't think of that before now. It's been bothering me, but I just couldn't figure out what to do. And so I'm going to rearrange a little bit here, and I will be back. Okay, I do want to leave that purse out because that's one of my favorites. It's very pretty to display. I was hoping to put my Louis tote in one of my cube shelves in my closet, but it's too big for that, so I need to leave it out because I definitely don't want to get it smushed. And I was wanting to display this one. It was inside here. It's one of my favorites, and I would love to display my favorites, but if I do that, I think it's going to look too cluttered. So I think I'm going to have to put it inside here where it was, unless it'll go in here. I guess that is a possibility because I took the purple one. I'm sorry, the washer's going. The purple one that was up in here, it's in my closet, and I'm going to put that one inside it. I'm just moving things around a little bit right now. So I did do something to that cube right there to make it look a little bit neater. So one thing that you can do to save space and to help things look neat is to store purses inside other purses. So that's what I did. I put some of my smaller Louis items inside my Speedy that's right back there. And then I did want to display this one because she's so cute and tiny. She's my favorite little baby bag. So I have things stored in there. And yeah, I'll show you more in a minute. So the purses that I had in here, I've got out right now. That's this one and these. So this is an example of, like, this one was sitting up there on top behind the Juicy. I'm going to put it up in my closet, but I'm going to store some other purses inside it. With this type of tote, though, you can't stuff it too full, because if it starts to bulge too much, like this is all I would do, if it starts to bulge too much, it won't take its shape back. It'll bulge forever, so I want to be very careful with that. This was in my cube shelves already. I'm going to put it inside that purple tote. And so that's it for right now. I will be back in a minute. Okay, I think this is looking a little bit neater so far. And by the way, if any of you have other ideas, just let me know, because I'm open for suggestions. But I did have this purse stored inside that one, but it's one of my favorites. I kind of wanted to display it, so I might change my mind, but for now that's what I'm doing. I wanted to leave my little owl out. I don't know what it is about associating owls with fall, but I do. And that's another thing. I want to make room for a few little fall things here on my shelf. So for now, I want to work on this right here. These little acrylic things, very cheap. I got them from Shein a long time ago. I despise them. I do not like them at all. I would like to be able to consolidate things where I can just use these two. These are a lot better quality. Probably just get rid of these. And so I'm going to work on that. I put up a couple things from here. The round pouches I had here, I stored inside here. I think this one, or either my Speedy to keep its shape. I do want to leave this little Pusheen boba out. My daughter got me that, so I enjoy having it displayed. I enjoy having this displayed too because it's my favorite makeup bag. Came in a set with a couple other smaller ones, and I just enjoy the color of it. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be working on for the next little while. I got this down off my shelf and I realized that y'all might want to see what's in here. So in this top one, I've got all of my Skylar roller balls. Not all of them. There's a couple more right in that little purple bin over there. And I have like Victoria's Secret ones and a couple of Bath and Body Works ones here. Mugler, Kayali. And then down here is my scent box. I think since these are put up, I don't think to use them much, and I wish I could come up with a better idea of how to display them where I could use them more often, but I just don't know what that would be. So what I would like to do is put all of my makeup in one of these larger bins and then put all of my perfumes in the other one, my roller balls anyway. So anyhow, got all of my eye makeup and like eyeshadow sticks and eyeliners and primers in here. And then this is my other makeup stuff. So besides this, the only other makeup I own, y'all, is what's right in there that keeps falling over, so I need to work on that. And then I have 4 or 5 palettes back there, and that's all my makeup. So I really don't have or use a whole lot. So anyway, in case you wanted to see what's in there. That wasn't as difficult as I thought. So here's all of my small travel perfumes and roller balls in here. And then most of my makeup is here. And I still am able to keep it fairly organized. Stuff that I used more often, I put down in the bottom of my caboodle because I'm going to be, when I clear this off, one thing that I want to do is have the stuff that I use daily in my caboodle. I can set it here, open it up, use what I need, and then put it away. So that's where I'm at so far, and I think it's going to look a lot better up there. Now I'm working on this area. This might be kind of difficult because a lot of this I need to keep out daily. So little small things like this I'm going to put in the top of my caboodle, but something like this won't go. My cotton rounds won't go. Got to figure out a place for my eyeshadow palettes. This is what I've done so far back here. Let me know what y'all think. I want to get a couple of small orange pumpkins and stick them up in there. And I have a purple pumpkin too. I love my rocks, but it's going to be hard to dust up in there with those there. So I don't know, but I do like them there. And so I don't like the white. I wish I had a clear one. But since I don't, I'm cleaning this out. I'm going to put my lip glosses somewhere else. Took this out to put the basket there. I'm going to put it over here, I think. Anyway, I'm thinking about putting my lip glosses in here along with my skincare that I need to keep out every day. So that's where I'm at right now. I would love to leave everything just like I have it now. But I still need to work on this area right here with my body mist and perfumes, because there's some things that I would like to be able to get to more often that I can't because there's so much in there. But I really like what I've done so far. So I've got my journal stuff over here that I use. I intend to use this stuff most of the time. There's sometimes that I don't have the time to do it, but I would like to. And so, you know, I can easily get to that now and just pick up my journal, get my stuff. I got some skincare things here that I use every day. I managed to fit all of my lipsticks, glosses, and stuff right here. And I like to display this eyeshadow palette because it's my favorite one. From Hocus Pocus. I like that a lot. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like inside here. I got this a few years ago, but I don't use it that often. Whoops. I kind of hoard it, I guess. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. But it's so pretty. And I enjoy seeing it out. So, I gotta work on this area. Okay, I think I'm finally done, at least for now. I want to be able to put out some fall things once I get down into there and get them out of storage. But for now, this is going to have to do, and I'm going to be happy with it. So I just rearranged my perfumes a little bit so I can pull these out when I need to, not have to move anything to do so. Same over here. These are the more fruity, summery scents. I had some smaller ones that I need to put in a drawer that I don't think I'll be using. They're easier to store than the bigger ones. These are the more vanilla and Sol de Janeiro type of scents. But then I keep my perfume boxes so I can store them in there if I don't think I'm going to use them for a while. So, like, after the fall, I'll probably put up my blueberry one until spring, for instance. And so I've got some sitting on the boxes. I've got Cloud 2.0 sitting on top of there. And I've got Bear sitting on top of its box back there. So that helps me be able to see them and display them better. Still get to them. Same thing over here. I've got my boxes for these sniff perfumes back there. And then I don't have boxes for all these, but the Angel box is back there behind here. And so anyway, you get the idea. I'm gonna dust off the shelves a little bit now, and I'm gonna enjoy the way it is. I've got to get a jar or a little small container to put these small things in, because this is supposed to sit up inside here. There's a little edge. It does not stay. That's not working out, so I'm going to fix that where that won't be bugging me. And that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm going to enjoy this when I'm recording next time too, because I think I got a lot more space to work with here. So I hope y'all like it. If you have any ideas, let me know, like fall things, whatever. I'm open to more suggestions. So I kind of did enjoy reorganizing. I hope y'all did too. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.